Are you breathing at your full potential? Most people don't realize that every breath we take can either heal us or harm us, depending on what we feed our lungs. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 superfoods that can help you strengthen your lungs naturally, breathe easier, and feel more energized. Stick with me until the end, because the most powerful lung-healing food is waiting for you at number 10, and you don't want to miss it. Our lungs work tirelessly, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide every second of our lives. But pollution, poor diet, and stress can weaken them over time. What if I told you that simple foods in your kitchen could actually cleanse, strengthen, and rejuvenate your lungs? Let's dive into these life-changing foods. Part 1. The first 5 lung-healing foods. 1. Apples. The daily defender. An apple a day may truly keep lung problems away. Apples are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids that support lung function and reduce the risk of chronic lung diseases. Their high vitamin C content helps fight inflammation and improves breathing capacity. Try eating an apple with the skin on for maximum lung protection. 2. Walnuts. Omega-3. Power walnuts are loaded with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce airway inflammation and help your lungs fight off harmful bacteria. Studies show that omega-3s can even slow down the decline of lung function in smokers. Just a small handful of walnuts can do wonders for your breathing. 3. Beets. Oxygen boosters. Beets are natural lung supporters. They are packed with nitrates that help improve oxygen utilization and blood flow, making breathing feel easier, especially during exercise. Drinking beetroot juice can instantly energize you and support your lungs throughout the day. 4. Ginger. The lung cleanser. Ginger is one of nature's most powerful lung cleansers. It helps break down mucus, reduces inflammation, and fights harmful bacteria in the lungs. Regularly drinking ginger tea can help open airways and improve breathing. Start your morning with a cup of fresh ginger tea for maximum benefit. 5. Turmeric. The golden healer. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps protect lung tissue from damage caused by pollution and smoke, and it can even relieve symptoms of asthma. Mix turmeric into warm milk or add it to your meals to give your lungs a golden shield. If you're finding this helpful so far, drop a comment below with your favorite lung-boosting food from this list. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, the most powerful lung-healing food is still coming up at number 10, and you'll definitely want to hear about it. Part 2. The final 5 super lung foods. 6. Blueberries. Antioxidant superstars. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that help reduce lung aging and prevent respiratory diseases. These tiny berries can protect your lungs from oxidative stress and pollution damage. A handful of blueberries can give your lungs the antioxidant armor they need. 7. Pumpkin. Beta-carotene. Bomb pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, essential for lung tissue repair and immune defense. People with higher beta-carotene intake often have stronger lungs and better breathing capacity. Roast some pumpkin or add it to your soups to give your lungs a sweet, healthy boost. 8. Leafy greens. Natural lung protectors. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps oxygenate your blood and supports lung detoxification. They also contain magnesium, which helps keep your airways relaxed and open. Add a handful of greens to your smoothie or salad every day to strengthen your lungs naturally. 9. Garlic. Nature's antibiotic. Garlic is a powerful lung protector with strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can help prevent infections, reduce congestion, and may even slow down lung tissue damage. Eating raw garlic or adding it generously to your meals can help keep your lungs clear and healthy. 10. Green tea. The lung savior. Green tea is rich in powerful antioxidants called catechins that help reduce inflammation and protect lung cells from harmful toxins and oxidative damage. Studies have shown that people who regularly drink green tea have healthier lung function and lower risk of developing chronic lung diseases. Start your day or wind down your evening with a soothing cup of green tea to give your lungs the love they deserve. Remember, strengthening your lungs isn't just about what you eat. Deep breathing exercises, regular movement, staying hydrated, and avoiding smoking can make a huge difference. Your lungs work hard for you. It's time to start working hard for them. Which of these lung-boosting foods will you add to your plate today? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorites. And hey, if you're hungry for more health tips that can transform your life, check out this next video right here. Foods that instantly cleanse your arteries. Your health journey is just getting started. See you there.